Zach, I can see you pushing him out of the way and just pushing him across like the whole field. I can't shoot far enough. Put someone on the line. Damn! Semi-auto only! Where's the... You get hit? Where's the president? Okay, keep him safe. You want to extract the president back towards the base?
He's good. They started running back.
Up! Because then it's funny when we shoot both of them. Because they're both going to go ouch. Contact right? Is that what you're saying? Good, stop. Hold here. Someone saw someone to the left. Is there anyone else out there? Okay. I don't know, someone yelled contact left. Like a banana. Yeah. Bananas are good, man.
I know one person that like watch the rear.
They're stupid because bananas are awesome.
Hey!
Especially with chocolate. Keep you alive the whole game.
30 minutes. You want to walk? Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
Let's go
And
back.
don't stand out in the middle to open. Not a good idea. But that's their spawn though. We need to be careful of that.
That is their spot.
Okay. Guys on the right, switch left. Guys, we're doubling back. Move over Oh, then we can keep going, whatever.
Let's look for a spawn, guys.
Let's just surround their spawn. And we'll form two lines and the prison can just circle inside the two lines. This smells good. Well, we just need to get the president covered on all sides. President, watch your cover. Make sure there's someone on each side. President, slow down. Make sure there's someone on each side of you. Contact! Contact! Clear, move! It's just your mom. Hey, Bambi tastes good. Contact! They're here! Well, because he can't be further than 100 feet from the furthest person.
Everybody's in front.
Behind you. Who brought the lawnmower? Where did he go? He was right next to me. Move it back! Go, go, go! Hold, slow down. Watch your perimeter. Want to move left instead of right this time?
Yeah, left.
Friendly, friendly, friendly. Several people go up front. We got too many in back. We just assume.
Someone should take him to find who's gone.
Someone should get the lawnmower back.
Oh, no grass. That's not them, right?
No, there's someone in the bushes. Move! Crossing. That sounded like a zombie. All I know is I heard "Arr!"
I wonder if they're really
Down.
I've got the guns.
They're on the left side, right at the base of these trees.
I'm not long enough. He's going right! There's one running right! President, go back. Remember, he has to stay on the move. Fall back! Watch towards number 2! No, you go to spawn 1! Damn it, we lost him.
Passing 12.
12 from the president.
We're losing guys on the left side.
Watch for the person on the right. Moving! Package is on the move. You guys, he has to keep moving. He can't just sit there. This way.
Where is this moving?
Let's get a line down the trail to cover him. I can't shoot far, that's why I'm staying close to him.
30 minutes is what you gotta pass. Oh, hey, guy on the freaking left.
March it!
Down, down, down. Alright, we got Scarecrow. Sniper! Anybody got a sniper scope? No? Can you zoom in with that camera?
Go back. I can use my phone, but then I have to sync it all, set it all up. You guys want to fall back, or we want to just keep sitting here?
I want to go down the...
Okay, President, where do you want to go? Yeah. Yeah.
What's this guy? Nobody? And it ends right there.
There might be a auto. I saw a guy running through the bushes that way. Auto to the right of the president. No, I just saw the guy get hit over there. This doesn't seem like a good direction to go. Why don't we go the other way? Okay.